What is YouTube SEO? Well, first of all, let's define what YouTube is. YouTube is a place where people go and search for a lot of things and find a lot of information, whether it's how-to videos, whether it's information about their favorite artist, whether it's anything. It is a place where people go to find information that they're looking for. So what is YouTube SEO? Well, SEO stands for search engine optimization. And in this case, YouTube is treated like a search engine because of the way users use it. And it is a system. The YouTube SEO is a system for how we go about and make sure the things that we can do that are in our control are attended to. And when we do that, we get found faster, easier, and relevant for what we want to be searching for. It's a methodology. It's a long-term compounding asset. It is not just tactics and things that we do to, make a video viral. It is not finding the latest trends and copying it. It is about providing quality content consistently in the right manner, methodically. That's what it is about. So the key objective of this course is to make sure you understand that through strategic optimization of your content on the YouTube platform is a compounding and incremental thing that will always work. It is not a fly-by-night tactic. It is a thing. So that is the main takeaway I want you to get from taking this course. It requires consistent behavior and action.